So, trying to plan a wedding. So I'm planning a wedding, and there's a lot of things that I don't know about, if we're being super frank. But I'm most concerned about catering. So I really thought that the biggest chunk of the budget would go to the location or the venue, because I really thought, okay, all of these venues, I've quoted 3 or 4 venues, all of these venues are running around $5 grand to $6 grand a night, which is crazy. But I was like, okay, you know, that's not too bad. It's got, you know, around the guests that I need. It's got all of this information, right? All the things that I need, all the boxes are checking off. But it's just, I don't know. I was just like, it's cool. Like I thought catering was included. Yeah, so then okay, I'm just gonna tell you all about it. I'm based in San Antonio, Texas, and I don't want a rustic wedding. I don't want like a southern hospitality. The rustic wood. I don't want to do that. And a lot of these places in Texas are very rustic-y, barn house, farmhouse, all that Texas. I love Texas, but I don't know, I want something very industrial for the wedding. One of the few places I just was kind of playing with and I decided to reach out to is Hotel Emma. They quoted me around $6 grand a night, and then around $220 a person for catering, and I was like, oh, they don't go together.
Right.
In the long run, instead of just like getting a caterer.
Yeah, because well, number one, because the stress alone, you know.
That's true. That's true.
But it's just such a great day, you know.
Yeah, I just like, and a part of me is like, you know what, screw it, like let's just spend a lot of money on it. But then I'm like, oh my goodness, this is one night. I guess I could also add that Jerome has like a typical Italian family that all love each other. And they all want to come. There's a solid amount of them. So our guest list is pretty big. Right now it's around like 230 people, which is really, really big. But that quote for Hotel Emma was really high. I said it. Especially per head, 220 times, I have my phone right here, times 200. I suck at math. Yeah, ultimately, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to choose a caterer in San Antonio, in the San Antonio area. If y'all know anyone, or you recommend or suggest anyone how to do it, please help. I am, ultimately my dream aspiration would be for maybe myself and family and friends to do the charcuterie boards, the grazing tables, things like that, the kind of appetizers, and then just have a really, really good main course, and then have a dessert station, a dessert table, to kind of just display different kinds of desserts. I just don't want to have just a normal wedding cake. I do want to have that as like the kind of centerpiece of it all, but I want to have like cheesecake or just, I don't know, something else as well to kind of munch on. That would honestly be my goal, to kind of have a main caterer for just a really, really good sit down dinner. Let's see how this will go.